Hello guys, in this video I will explain the solution for the given problem, that is determine the base of the numbers in each case for the following operations to be correct. Now let us take the first combination of the numbers, that is 14 by 2 equal to 5. Here we don't know the base of these numbers, so that assume B as base of these numbers and apply B to each number of RHS and LHS part. Then it becomes as 14 with the base B whole divided by 2 with the base B equal to 5 with the base B. Now we should evaluate this expression by assigning the weights to each digits starting from LSB. So the weights are 0 and 1, and here only one digit is there, so that the weight is 0. For RHS part also the weight is 0. Now we should expand this expression by multiplying the each digit with the corresponding weights and then sum up. Then it becomes as 1 into b power 1 plus 4 into b power 0 whole divided by 2 into b power 0, which is equal to 5 into b power 0. It becomes as b plus 4 whole divided by 2 equal to 5. It should be simplified as b equal to 10 minus 4, which is equal to 6. Therefore, b equal to 6. This is the base of the given combinations of the numbers. Next, we should move to the next combination of the numbers. The combination of numbers are 54 by 4 equal to 13. We should follow the same procedure what we have done for part A. Then it becomes as 54 with the base B whole divided by 4 with base B equal to 13 with the base B. Now we should assign the weights for each digits of these numbers starting from LSB. That is 0 and 1. Here only single digit, its weight is 0. Here two digits, here also 0 and 1. Then it should be expanded as 5 into b power 1 plus 4 into b power 0 whole divided by 4 into b power 0 equal to 1 into b power 1 plus 3 into b power 0. This becomes as 5b plus 4 whole divided by 4 equal to b plus 3. It should be simplified as 5b plus 4 equal to 4b plus 12. This implies take b one side and constants another side, then it becomes as b equal to 8. This is the base value for the second combination of the numbers. Now let us move to the third combination of the numbers. That is 24 plus 17 equal to 40. Same method we should follow. This implies 24 with the base b plus 17 with the base b equal to 40 with the base b. Then we should assign the weights for each digit of these numbers starting from LSB 0 and 1. Here 0 and 1, here also 0 and 1. Now we should expand this expression, that is 2 into b power 1 plus 4 into b power 0 plus 1 into b power 1 plus 7 into b power 0, which is equal to 4 into b power 1 plus 0 into b power 0. It should be written as 2b plus 4 plus b plus 7 equal to 4b plus 0. It should be simplified as 2b plus b equal to 3b plus 11 equal to 4b. Now take 3b right side, then 4b minus 3b becomes as b equal to 11. This is the base of the third combination of the numbers. So this is the complete solution for the given problem. Thank you.